The law of attraction is the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. It is believed that regardless of age, nationality or religious belief, we are all susceptible to the laws which govern the universe, including the law of attraction. It is the law of attraction which uses the power of the mind to translate whatever is in our thoughts and materialize them into reality. In basic terms, all thoughts turn into things eventually. If you focus on negative doom and gloom, you will remain under that cloud. If you focus on positive thoughts and have goals that you aim to achieve, you will find a way to achieve them with massive action. This is why the universe is such an infinitely beautiful place. The law of attraction dictates that whatever can be imagined and held in the mind's eye is achievable if you take action on a plan to get to where you want to be. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is one of life's biggest mysteries. Very few people are fully aware of how much of an impact the law of attraction has on their day-to-day life. Whether we are doing it knowingly or unknowingly, every second of our existence, we are acting as human magnets, sending out our thoughts and emotions and attracting back more of what we have put out. Unfortunately, so many of us still blind to the potential that is locked deep within us. Consequently, it is all too easy to leave your thoughts and emotions unchecked. This sends out the wrong thoughts and attracts more unwanted emotions and events into your life. Having said this, discovering that the law of attraction is at work within your life should be a great cause for celebration. Once the power of attraction has been understood by you, it is no longer secret. Plus, you have learned how to effectively apply these to your everyday life. Your entire future is yours to create. The history of the law of attraction. Before you begin to embark on the incredible journey towards true enlightenment in the law of attraction, it is important that you understand that you can apply it to your life, and it can be effective if the correct tools are used. The practices and beliefs in this law have been igniting the lives of great individuals throughout the course of history. Hundreds of years ago, the law of attraction was first thought to have been taught to man by the immortal Buddha. It is believed he wanted it to be known that what you have become is what you have thought. This is a belief that is deeply intrinsic in the law of attraction. With the spread of this concept to Western culture also came the term karma. It is a belief that is popular throughout numerous societies. Over the centuries, it has been a common understanding amongst many that what you give out to the world, be it anger or happiness, hate or love, is ultimately what can return to your own life in the end. This simple and easy-to-follow concept has been so popular among many for a large number of years. It demonstrates that the idea of the power of attraction is not new whatsoever. It is already recognizable to many of us in a variety of ways. The main principles of the law of attraction can also be discovered in the teachings of many civilizations and religious groups. An example, in the Proverbs chapter 23 verse 7, it reads, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he." Proof of praise for the laws of attraction can be uncovered throughout the ages, all recorded and taught in different ways, but still there for all of humanity to find. Is the law of attraction real? As previously discussed, the law of attraction and its values have been seen throughout history. And a great many women and men who have left their mark on this world have shown the law of attraction to be one of the greatest powers on earth, with many well-loved poets, artists, scientists and great thinkers such as Shakespeare, Blake, Emerson, Newton and Beethoven all conveying this message through their many works. There have been many modern advocates of the law of attraction as well. These include Oprah Winfrey, Jim Carrey, and Denzel Washington. In addition, with over 5.8 million Facebook fans, there are plenty of success stories surrounding the law of attraction. The most challenging part of acknowledging and accepting the truth of what the law of attraction has to offer is coming to the realization that every single one of your decisions in life, good and bad, have been shaped by you alone. For many, this can be a bitter pill to swallow, especially if you feel that you or your loved ones have been dealt some particularly hard blows in life. However, once you have truly come to understand the true key behind of the law of attraction, you can be renewed with hope and courage in the overwhelming knowledge that you are free to take charge of your life and free yourself forever from the cycle of fear, worry or negativity which has held you back for too long. The science behind the law of attraction, fact, not fiction, the work of quantum physicists during recent years has helped to shine greater light on the incredible impact that the power of the mind has on our lives and the universe in general. The more that this idea is explored by scientists and great thinkers alike, the greater an understanding we have on just how significant a role the mind plays in shaping our lives and the world around us. It doesn't matter if you do not ever come to have a thorough understanding of the quantum physics behind the law of attraction. However, this does not mean that we all cannot enjoy the many benefits that this generous and law can offer us. As physicists come to supply us with more and more information regarding the law, the more we can simply rejoice in the truly liberating and empowering realization that we are the creators and controllers of our life and the energy we are all made of. Be happy, for the universe is always on our side. The more time you dedicate to learning how to use the law of attraction effectively, the more fulfilling and rewarding your life can be. There are no restrictions. Open your mind and enjoy the natural abundance of the universe. How to use the law of attraction. Once we have come to understand the astounding possibilities that life has to offer us, we can also come to realize that we are like artists. We are creating pictures of our intended life and then making choices and taking actions that will realize what we envisaged. So what if you don't like the picture? Change it. Life is a blank canvas of possibility. You are in control of what the finished picture could look like. The law of attraction really is that simple. No catches. All laws of nature are completely perfect and the law of attraction is no exception. No matter what you are looking to have or achieve or be in life, if you can hold onto an idea and see it for yourself in the mind's eye, you can make it yours to have, with some effort on your part. Here are just a few areas in your life that you could improve by utilizing the law of attraction. First, manifest love and relationships with the law of attraction. The beginning of love is at the end of resistance. Danielle Light. With new relationships being formed every single day, it is not surprising that this is a common goal. Many people wish to meet the love of their lives. But can the law of attraction help your love life? The short answer? Yes. There are many law of attraction techniques and exercises that can increase your confidence, charisma and overall subconscious willingness to receive love. In this way, it is entirely possible to attract your real soulmate by utilizing the law of attraction. Second, attract money and wealth using the law of attraction. Always remember, money is a servant, you are the master. Bob Proctor. Another common goal across the world is financial abundance. Wealth brings along its obvious benefits to your life. Money can put a roof over your head and food on the table. Similarly, it has the ability to provide for your family and friends. Unfortunately, many of us have troubled relationships with the idea of wealth. It certainly has connotations of greed and vanity. In order to attract money, we need to banish these negative thought patterns. A key aspect of the law of attraction is this idea that positivity breeds positivity. Therefore, you can learn how to harness positive money habits easily with help from visualization tools and techniques. Third, improve your mental and physical health. Health goes beyond our physical body. It is not just about what we put in our bodies or take out of it, it is also about our emotions and how we are feeling spiritually. Catherine Hurst. With busy work routines, commitments to friends and family and general everyday life, we sometimes neglect our own personal health. Whilst utilizing the law of attraction cannot purely substitute a healthy diet, exercise and regular doctor checkups, it can promote a vast range of benefits for your mental, spiritual and physical health. Training your brain to see the positive in everything allows room for mental growth and happiness, which in turn can improve your physical health. Similarly, taking time for self-care can help combat a range of mental illnesses. Increase your self-confidence and combat anxiety. Similarly to the above point, mental health can really impact your physical health and well-being. Therefore, you should decrease any levels of stress as soon as you can. In addition, the law of attraction focuses on this idea of self-confidence and faith in the universe. You need to let go of all feelings of doubt in yourself in order to utilize the law of attraction effectively. Get fit, lose weight and have a more mindful diet. Another common goal. Losing weight can be a very demotivating process for a number of reasons. However, this does not need to be the case. Positive thinking can really help eliminate binge eating and lack of motivation. A more mindful approach to eating can also reveal a lot about your body and appetite. In this way, visualization tools and techniques can really be handy when trying to get fit. Fourth, attract success and abundance with the law of attraction. Everyone visualizes whether he knows it or not. Visualizing is the great secret of success. Rhonda Byrne, author of The Secret. Whilst success may sound a tad vague, it actually just proves how all-encompassing the law of attraction can be. How to start using the law of attraction today. I understand there is a vast amount of information on this page. You may not know where to go now or how to start this journey. I'm going to make it easier for you. As well as the vast amount of information on this website, you can also download your free copy of my Law of Attraction Toolkit. It includes affirmation guide with examples and lists so you can start using affirmations today. Instructions on how you can create a dream board in order to design and manifest your dream life. A copy of your own dream check. A complimentary e-book. Get your copy of The Science. Start using visualization techniques and utilize the law of attraction today. Just click the link in description now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.